Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to search product using barcode. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev Advanced Search Product. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to cells, go to products, go to anyone like desk pad and set here barcode. Let's save. Now go to orders and create new. Select customize deco ID. Now add product, but here I search using barcode. And see display here desk pad, that which insert barcode. And save. So using this our app you can easily search product everywhere using barcode. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.